So next topic is we have to study the criteria for similarity of triangle. See how this work out. Now, first thing, we already studied that two triangles are similar, right? When two triangles are similar, if their corresponding angle are equal and their corresponding side are proportional. Right? Suppose we have triangle ABC and DEF, right? So A equal to D, B equal to C, and B equal to E, and C equal to F. Give me 10 seconds. Okay. Now sides is proportional means what? AB by D. This is equal to AC by DF equal to BC by
BC upon EF.
EF, right? So this is a criteria for similarity of triangle. Now, in 9th standard, you already had studied about how two triangles are congruent, right?
Yes, sir.
In the same manner, here we have to study SSS criteria. SSS is what?
Side.
Side. Means
all the
if in two
sides are
triangles,
proportional.
sides of one triangle are proportional to sides of other triangle, then their corresponding angle are equal, and hence the triangle are similar. Don't get confused between similarity and congruency, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
after this SSS, we have one more SAS. This is validated when one angle of a triangle is equal to another angle, and the side including the angle is proportional. Correct?
Yes, sir. And third is AA.
So based on this, we'll have a quick question from 6.3. In first case, tell me, These two triangles are similar or not? I guess you all are having textbook. 60, 60, 80, 80, 40, 40. Correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, similar.
Fine. By which criteria? We have
AA
angle, angle,
test.
angle also.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, in second case, say this one is proportional or not?
Sir, it's similar.
Fine.
By
See,
SSS.
2 into 2, 4, 2.5 into 2, 5, 3 into 2, 6. So by which criteria? SSS, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the similar way, tell me this one. This is 70 degree. This is 80 degree. This is 80 degree. This is 30 degree. Both are similar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Similar by AAA test.
Right? See, this is 80, this is
Yes.
70. So this must be 30. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Now this is 80, this is 30. So this must be 50.
No, sir. 70.
Addition will be 180. Now you are saying by AAA criteria, these two triangles are similar.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
The angle P should be 70.
Just 1 minute. Yeah, 70. Correct. It should be 70. Calculation mistake. Fine. By AAA criteria, both are similar. Now, taking second one. This is 125. This is O. This is A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. CDO. This one is 70 degree. Now, you have to find DOC. DCO means if I am naming it angle 1, angle 2. OAB, angle 3. Right?
Sir, angle 1 is 55.
Okay. Now you know angle 1 plus 125 is what? 180.
Yes,
Linear
sir,
pair.
linear pair.
Yes, sir.
So from this concept, angle 1 will be what? 180 minus 125, which is 55 degree.
55 degree. Yes, sir.
Now,
then, sir, angle 2 would be 70 plus 55. That is 125.
Okay.
And
Now, angle 1
was
plus angle 2 plus 70 degree as 180, right?
angle sum property of
Sum
triangle.
of angle of a triangle is 180. So from this concept, you will get 1 is what? 55 plus 2 plus 70 as 180. So from here, you can get angle 2 as
55
180 minus 125, which is
yes.
again 55.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now it is given two triangles are similar. Which two triangle? Triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. ODC is similar to OBA. So
then,
according to this concept,
all the
angle
angles are congruent, are equal.
Okay, so angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal, right?
Yes. So angle 3 will also be 55 degrees.
So angle 3 will be
55.
again 55 degrees. Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Coming to next question. Question number 3. We have a trapezium. A, B, C, D. And we have O. In the trapezium, you know AB is parallel to DC. This is very clear. You have to prove OA
Yes,
by OC as OB by OD.
sir, we
OA
can
by OC. See, these two and divided by these two.
Sir, we can prove these angles similar by AAA test. Like,
Okay. Now see, this is very easy. If I am considering triangle 1 and triangle 2, मैं थोड़ा सा लिख कम रहा हूँ, समझना, टेक्निकल बता रहा हूँ. Triangle 1, triangle 2 is similar.
yes.
See, this one is equal to alternate angle, this is alternate angle, and this is a pair of
Vertically opposite angles.
vertical opposite angle. So triangle OAB similar to triangle ODC. Now ratio by which property? A. So sides are proportional. OB by OC equal to OB by OD.
Sir, we can also use double A, right?
Double A, triple A, both are same.
Yes. Means like.
So based on this criteria, you have to proceed with another question. So we'll take alternate question now. Coming to question number 5. A one triangle is there. P, Q. This is T, S, R.
Sir, we can prove this triangle similar by AA test.
Okay. So P is given equal to T. You have to prove triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Correct?
Sir, you can prove this by double A test. Like angle P is equals to angle T and R is the common angle.
Fine. Right. Good. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, R is common, right?
Yes.
Angle R equal to angle R, common, and angle P equal to angle T, it is given. So by AAA or AA similar testing criteria, these two are
Similar.
similar. In the same way, question number 6 is there, question 7 is there. Question number 8 is there. 9. All are on same pattern. Okay. Let's do some important question. Discussing question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. So we have a triangle ABC, A, B, C. This is D. Such that ADC is equal to BAC. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC. You have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Fine. So we have to take two triangle. Now, if I am writing triangle ABC and triangle A is equal to what? D. So A के जगह पे D रख दो. C is common to both. So C is here.
Yes.
So it become DAC, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, these two triangle are similar by AA test.
Yes.
Now the sides are proportional. So AB by DA equal to BC by AC equal to AC by DC. Considering these two, AC will become AC square. This will become BC into CD. Proved?
Sir, will you please explain it again?
Okay. See, triangle ABC and triangle DAC both are similar. How come both are similar? See, C is common to both, right? And D is equal to A. So by AA test, both are similar.
Yes, sir.
Now, if two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. Now, taking this into consideration, now what you have to prove? AC square, right? So again, you are seeing here it is what? AC into AC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take this question, 15th one. A vertical pole of length 6 meter having a shadow 4 meter on the ground. This is of 6 meter, shadow is of 4 meter. And at the same time, another tower is having a shadow of 28. Find the height of a tower. Find the height of a tower. Okay. Now see this one. In both triangle, this is 90. Now if I am considering this as X, these two angles are same. So using AA criteria, the triangle are similar. So the sides will be proportional. So 6 by 4 is equal to X by 28. ये समझ में आया क्या? डायरेक्ट मैं लिखा हूं mathematical point. So from this 4x is equal to 6 into 28. X will be 6 into 28 by 4, 7. This is 42. Any confusion?
No.
No, sir.
Sir, how did you take that angle equal opposite to the height?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Sir, as the hypotenuse of both the triangles is the shadow, so as shadow is parallel to each other, and hence it makes the angle equal, because when it means as they are parallel, so when it reaches the ground is same, and hence as they are parallel, so angle of both this will be same.
Okay, and it is given at the same time. It should be more clear in the question.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
So in this way, you have to proceed with rest of the question. मैक्सिमम जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे आई हैड डील इट. अगर किसी को दिख रहा है कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट तो बताओ दो, मैं एक बार डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ. वी आर हैविंग 10 मिनट.
Sir, can't we solve all the questions?
Yeah, I wish to solve all the question, but time constraint is there. In the month of June, we have to complete triangle, coordinate geometry, application trigonometry, and application of trigonometry according to the LPTG and CI plan. So do you feel, is it possible to solve all the question?
But sir, triangles is very important, right? In boards means.
Yes, yes. I know triangle is very important. We are having 4 lectures in a week. Am I correct?
So sir, can't we increase the timings?
See, this all depends on supervisor, sir, management side. No. The CI curriculum and this one LPTG, these all came from, I guess, Hadapsar or Kalyani Nagar. And previously all were following this pattern.
Okay, sir. No, because I wanted, because sir, every question is of different type. That's why.
So yeah. So second thing is what you have to solve it. If you are having doubt, you can ask me. See, this one is a practical approach. I explained you. In the month of June, we have only 15 days. 15 days means what? We have 2 weeks, right? We have 2 weeks. In a week, we have 4 lecture. In 2 weeks, we have 8 lecture. So in 8 lecture, we have to complete 4 topics. This is really hectic. I have to take extra lecture. Of course, I have to take extra lecture because
can't we just request the supervisor that not to run with the syllabus? Because sir, all the topics are important, and this is the base.
Yeah, you people can means request him. See, this is means from my side and the point from child side, both are different.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway. So coming to the topic 6.3. Tell me any important question if you are having. Otherwise, I will take one question. Shall I take question number 8? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Fine. See, question number 8. Is a point on the side AD, is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. So we are having one parallelogram, okay? And this is A, D, C, and B. This is extended to E. And this is F. Now, you have to prove triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. CFB. Okay. Now, यहाँ पे देखना बहुत ज्यादा नहीं टफ है। आपको लग रहा है जो ये हर एक क्वेश्चन अलग अलग टाइप का है, सब क्वेश्चन एक ही टाइप का है, आप थोड़ा ध्यान दो। वी हैव व्हाट, एंगल ए और एंगल सी, देखो तो बराबर दिख रहा है क्या? एंगल ए एंड एंगल सी,
yes, vertically opposite angles of the parallelogram.
या अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम। ओके, नाउ ई एंड बी आर सेम, चेक करो, ई एंड बी पोजीशन देखना है, ई इज दिस वन and B is this one. This one is the pair of alternate angle.
Yes.
Okay, na proof?
Yes.
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 Done.
Yes, sir.
एक बार सेम मैनर में क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 भी देख लेता हूं। देखो मैं ट्राई करूंगा मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर देने का, ठीक है, जितना पॉसिबल होगा मैक्सिमम। आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, this is 90 and this is 90. A, B, P, C, M, right? Now you have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP, ठीक है? अब देखो A is common to both, if I am not wrong.
Yes, sir.
90,
And
90.
angle M and B is 90 degrees.
Okay, now B and M is what? 90.
Each 90.
हो गए ना A क्राइटेरिया से? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
second one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. तो अब रेशियो प्रोपोर्शनल होंगे, साइड्स का रेशियो। तो वी हैव व्हाट, AB by AM इक्वल टू BC by MP इक्वल टू AC by
AP.
AP। देखिए तो हो गए प्रूफ। सेकेंड वन भी ये
Yes,
प्रूफ
sir.
करना था ना, AC by PA, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
एक बार चेक करो तो कितने क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने किया एक्सरसाइज का। यस, 1 हो गए हम लोगों ने। वी हैव डन विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आल्सो, वी हैव डन विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13,
15.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 50% से ज्यादा हुआ। कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चन तो बहुत ही बेसिक है, जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 14। To find remaining question, you please try it. If you are having any doubt at any point of time, you can ask me. Tomorrow, I guess Monday. Tomorrow is Thursday, right? Okay. So on Friday, day after tomorrow, we'll take exercise 6.4. Fine, try it next. हो जाएगा सारा सवाल, नहीं होगा तो मैं हूँ। No need to worry. We'll take extra lecture also. Revision भी लेंगे. ठीक है, fine. Any doubt? In chat box, I guess Rakesh, you had messaged me, sir, you can take extra class now. Child, I am having lecture in 11-12 from 11:45. We had started 11th standard also from yesterday. Yesterday. Yesterday we had started 11th standard also. Okay, bye.
Sir, you teach physics or math to 11th?
Yes, yes.
You teach physics or math
Both subjects I am teaching.
to 11?
Yes, 11-12. Teaching applied maths also.
Okay.
See you on Friday.
Sir, you have started